The Face ID feature on this access phone doesn't work. Display camera problem. Remove the front camera. Take out the JCID programmer. Install the corresponding function board. Camera connection post test. The chip fuses. Enter the activation interface. Connect the phone to the post. Click Activate. Click Read Data. Remove the camera. Take out the Face ID tag on Repair FPC. Cable connection host. Click Write Data. Connect the cable to the